Welcome to another Tuesday night taste test of Big Lee's Corner. This time around, if you know Walmart's sodas, they got a Mountain Dew generic brand called Mountain Lightning, which is based on Mountain Dew. But anyway, I came across an energy drink version of Mountain Lightning. So I'm going to do that as a taste test today. I would say it pretty much tastes exactly like a Monster. I mean, I can't tell the difference between the two. Maybe someday I'll do a taste test of them side by side, just to see if I can find a difference. But in my honest opinion, this is just like the green Monster, the original Monster drink, if I remember correct. Now, even though you can only see her tail, Sylvia, the unlucky 13, kind of joined me in the video. Now you can kind of see her face. Of course, all of them got flea medicine on them by now, so they shouldn't be having that problem anymore. You know, unfortunately, a little bit was having some seizures, but ever since I took her to the vet, in fact, here she is right now. Ever since I took her to the vet, she hasn't seemed to have a seizure since, even though she still has a wound on her neck over here. But I'll work on that as time goes by. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Tuesday Night Taste Test. I'll try to have a nice day. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.